Hey guys, part 4. It is blowing at least 60 maybe up there in the woods. Especially down there just a minute ago. Oh wow, that's 50. Phew, feisty. That was definitely a really cool gust. That was crazy. This wind chime right by the door just freaking blew. That was on camera. Holy cow. Dang. Holy, look at the woods. And just a matter of seconds of moving. Tree's already blowing that fast. That is insane. You guys have a good view of here too, right? Never in my life have I seen these criminals blow like that. Oh my God. Oh my God! Did y'all just see that? Branches just broke off that tree. Holy cow. I think I got that on camera. It was all the way up on that tree over there. Big branch gone. Holy, I've never seen that happen. Holy cow, dude. That was crazy. I think I got that on video. Yeah. Hey, Dad, I just watched branches fall off that tree up there. That was crazy.
What the fuck?
Dad.
No! Back down. Where'd this cord come from?
Huh?
Where'd this cord come from?
My bedroom.
You know what?
Can't believe that tree lost branches up there. I hope I got that on video. I'm sorry.
Do whatever you want to do.
Holy cow. Look at that, guys.
Why is this out of the trash?
Dad, I'm trying to video.
Come put soap and water in this bowl.
What was that? That was on video. Oh my God. Something broke back there or something. I have never seen that happen before. What the heck? That probably was the gate. I think that gate's gone. I told him this morning. I said, why is it being up here? It's going to be emergency to a truck anyway, so we're going to have to bring it up here.
Okay. Okay? It's okay, Baba.
I look like more now.
I'm giving that TV to Mom anyway, so you can just go in the office with her stuff. If you want to play on it, you can hook it up in the, or you can hook up to it in the office. Okay?
Dude, I have never seen that wind chime blow like that. Like, oh my God. I can't believe I got that on camera, dude. Oh my gosh.
We're gonna do it.
No! I wonder if that's the gate that broke. Ow. Couldn't imagine it was the gate.
Pretty strong though.
Oh,
Those are pretty good.
Yeah, it was. Yeah, I don't know what that was. Hey, Dad, did you hear that noise when that gust came through?
Okay.
Did you hear that, whatever that bang was? Because I have no clue what that was. I can pick it up too. I think I'd see if it was the gift over from there.
You! Don't you me.
Please stop, Dad. I don't want to play. I'll leave you alone.
I know you.
Interesting. I don't see it everywhere. My pants are falling.
Let's see if we can stop this.
Huh? doing? Oh my god. No! Ow! 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 Ow, that hurts. My ankles hurt now.
Sorry.
I missed that. I haven't done that in so
I
long.
know.
I
Your
want
dad
to!
hasn't been able to do that in so long.
I want it!
I cannot do that to you. You're a grown-ass individual.
I'm videoing. Dude, I don't know what that bang was though. I'm starting to wonder if that was the gate that broke. No. 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 No.
I cannot pick you up like that. I'm sorry. There's no way. You chewed it.
No. I'm not 180 pounds.
It'd be 140.
But he's still 60. Wow, look at these trees up here. Here, let's see. I wonder if I can do that to him. Hudson, come here! No, please.
Hey, you're gonna hit him.
No! Hello.
You're gonna hurt him or yourself. I know.
Dang. I gotta go figure out what that noise was. I'm gonna go see if that was the fence. I'll let you know if it is. No, it wasn't. Something broke. Or I really want to know what that noise was. Yeah, oh god, it's so bright. And it's kind of warm now, surprisingly. That was a crazy gust, though. I've never seen that wind chime right there blow like that. And I got it on camera, which is even more insane. It wasn't. I don't know what it was, but it was a
Do me another favor.
Yeah.
Will you walk out there and look up at the roof?
Yeah, why?
And see if you see a tarp.
A tarp?
Yeah.
Yeah. A tarp. It's probably a noise that I've been hearing. Don't know where a tarp would be. Oh yeah, I see it. Yeah, it's there. Okay. I saw the end of it right there.
Yeah.
Yeah. I see it kind of overlapping a little bit to go to the other side, so.
Okay, good. Thank you.
You're welcome.
That's the roofing company that's...
Yep, I know.
Okay.
Oh, wind chime swayed again. Is it just me, or do I have a certain way of eating?
You do. You eat some marshmallows for the end.
I have to eat all of the bread pieces before I can eat these. If I notice one tiny piece that I've already started eating it, I try to like spit them back up. Yeah, I'm gonna have to edit that. I want to see that clip.